Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between 3D and 2D on your VITURE Luma XR Pro glasses. Doing that is pretty simple. All you need to do is when the glasses are connected, mine are not currently, you will need to press and hold on this button on the bottom of the right arm, right here. Press and hold. The image will disappear for a moment, and then it'll switch to either 3D or 2D, depending on what was set previously. Now, when to switch? Basically, if you are in the 2D mode and trying to watch a 3D content, it will be displayed as two images side by side, and that's not exactly what it should look like. To switch to 3D, to see it as one image but in 3 dimensions, you will need to press and hold on the button. Then these images will sort of look like they're merged, and one of the images is gonna be displayed to one of your eyes, the other one to the other one, and that's gonna make a 3D image. Now, when you exit out of that, you need to switch back to 2D. Otherwise, it's pretty hard to use the glasses unless you close one of the eyes and later the other one, because it's gonna like split the screen into two parts and it's gonna look weird. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.